Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to different places. Say these words with your English voice. Northern. Northern. This means in or from the north part of an area. Southern. Southern. This means in or from the south part of an area. Western. Western. This means in or from the west part of an area. Eastern. Eastern. This is in or from the east part of an area. English. English. This is belonging to or relating to England, its people, or its language. Scottish. Scottish. This is belonging to or relating to Scotland, its people, or its language. Welsh. Welsh. This is belonging to or relating to Wales, its people, or its language. Irish. Irish. This is belonging to or relating to Ireland, its people, or its language.